Have you ever yawned just by seeing someone else yawn? Let's find out why we actually yawn. Yawning happens when your body feels tired or bored. At that time, your brain doesn't get enough oxygen, so your body makes you yawn to take a big breath of air. That big breath gives your brain more oxygen and cools it down, which helps you to stay awake and fresh. And here is something funny about it: yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, your brain copies it and makes you yawn too. Scientists believe this shows how humans connect and care for each other. So, next time you yawn, remember it's not just about your being sleepy, it's your brain's way of saying, I need more air.